here's one of my favorite neck stretches when my neck is feeling kind of tight, even if my shoulders are feeling kind of tight. Sit up. You can be in a chair, you can be on the ground, and start to take your gaze to one side. When it stops, that's your maximum for now, back off just a little bit. So come a little bit more towards center. And then lower your chin towards your collarbone. You should start to feel a stretch towards the back of your neck and maybe even down into your shoulder. This may be plenty for you. If so, take 5 breaths here. If you would like a little bit more, bring your arm up and over and rest your fingers on your head, adding just a little bit of weight, of load. If that ends up being too much, lower your arm down. And then this opposite arm, you want it to drift down. And see if that adds a little bit more stretch. You'll notice more of a stretch with this arm if you're sitting in a chair. Because like right now I'm on the ground and my hand's running into the ground, but I still noticed a little bit more. So 5 breaths. Next breath in, you start to lower the top arm. If it was up above, lift your chin up and bring it back to center. And then we'll do side 2. Take your gaze to the other side and then back off a little bit, chin towards collarbone. 5 breaths here, or with the hand right about here. And then this arm heavy and drifting down. Notice where you're feeling the stretch. After 5 breaths, lower that top hand, top arm, bring your chin up, and bring your head back to center. And you can do that maybe 2 more times to each side, depending on how your neck feels. And notice, maybe things will feel a little bit better afterwards. So give it a try.